There are thousands of different species of plant on the planet. Some are extremely small and can hardly be seen by the naked eye, and some are massive, even bigger than buildings. Most plants have certain things in common. They need water, air, and sunshine to grow. They can't move around. Their cell walls are made of cellulose, a very tough material. Plants grow nearly everywhere on Earth, and lots grow in soil where they get their water and nutrients from. Some plants, however, don't need soil to grow and can grow just in water, on hard surfaces, or even on other plants. There are two main groups of plants, vascular and non-vascular. Vascular have tissues called xylem and phloem, and these carry nutrients and water around the plant. They also have roots, stems, and leaves. Non-vascular do not have these things and include mosses, liverworts, hornworts, and algae. Vascular plants generally reproduce using seeds, and non-vascular with spores. Plants are vital for life on Earth, providing food and also oxygen. One of the largest plants on Earth is a seagrass called Poseidon's ribbonweed. It can clone itself, and one specific plant has been known to stretch over 180 kilometers.